Family friendly garage. Today we're working on a 2013 Ford Flex. Customer drove the Flex in, parked it, went inside to go to church, came back out, car wouldn't start. It would crank and just ran terrible. I took a look at it, had a few ideas. Well, anyway, after a little bit of troubleshooting, found out that back here in the second row on the passenger side, behind this pillar back here, is the fuel pump relay module. I've heard it called a fuel pump relay. I've heard it called the fuel pump module. But anyway, apparently the Ford, here's the part number. The Ford modules apparently just go bad. And when they do, you're pretty much a pedestrian. So I went down to the local auto parts store in Dorman. Has got a, Dorman's got a little replacement here. This one costs 59 bucks. You can get them on Amazon for like 35, but I didn't have time to wait on shipping. So 601-225, 59 bucks at O'Reilly. And just for testing, went ahead and popped this cover off. And let me show you the cover here. So it's just got a bolt up there at the top like that. There's one bolt right up there. Just pop that cover loose, take your bolt out. And then you got to pry a couple of these tabs off the back. So it took me a second to get this to come off because I didn't know where those tabs were. So there's one at the bottom, one kind of at the back, and then one at the top. So you can kind of reach your fingers back in there and they just pop straight out. Tabs like that, just pop straight in there. And so I went ahead and just plugged it in, tested it, car fired right up, no problem there. So anyway, that module there was the culprit. Hope this video helps. I'm gonna go ahead and take that loose and mount this one up permanently and snap everything back in place. And job done. No need to take that to the Ford place. You got a couple of tools, pretty basic tools, really just one bolt and a little knowledge to pry this off. Plug that in, change those two bolts there. You can save yourself some money because it's only $59 to fix it. Hope this helps.